Hello, welcome to the second lesson. Our topic today is Enter the Freelance. The first reasonable question that you may have: how to get your first clients for digital marketing services on a freelance? To start selling your services, you need to answer 4 questions. What do I sell? Who do I sell to? Where to find these people? And how to sell? Let's look at them step by step. What do I sell? I sell services that generate leads for the client. Attention! It is important to understand that you don't sell a Facebook lead ad form setup. You don't sell Facebook-related services or technical Facebook ads setup. Clients need leads. Facebook or Google ads or email marketing, it's just tools for generating leads. Setting up the tools is your job, but the client needs leads as a result of your work. Customers pay for leads contact detail like email, phone number, and others. Customers don't pay for Facebook ads campaign setup. It is very important to understand it in the very beginning. So once again, you sell lead generation service. Second, you need to understand is who you sell to. You need to understand their ICP. It means an ideal customer profile. In our opinion, at this stage, it is easier for you to sell your Facebook ad service to small business owners. These have to be people like old-school business owners, not technically experienced. It will be easier for you to sell your Facebook ad services because it will be a rocket science for them. Also, your ideal customer profile can include business that provide services. Now let's talk about the type of businesses you can sell your services more easily. Especially for you, we have prepared a list of niches in which you have a better chance to sell your services than in others. It is important to understand that all these types of businesses provide services. So, service providers need to get contact information from the client to contact them. And also, service businesses do not charge customers on the website. The service business first needs to get the contact details of the customer, then contact them and have a conversation, send a commercial offer, make a deal, and after that get payment. That's why Facebook lead forms are an ideal tool for generating leads, helping service businesses get customer contact information at the first touch. Where to find these business owners? There are several ways where you can find your potential clients. It can be your personal network, that is your friends and family, former colleagues or bosses, your social network, or just contacts on your phone or email. In the next videos, we will talk about this in more detail. Now it's just an overall. This can be offline events, such as business meetups, business conferences, networking parties, bars, traveling. And also online. It's freelance platforms, social media, cold sales on social media, and so on. These are the main ways to find clients at the initial stage. So it's important to understand that your goal is not to earn a lot of money now. Your goal is to make the first sale and get some money. So your goal is to get confidence that you can do it. So the next question is how to make your first sale. Your goal is to reach your first 100 leads. 100 prospects should hear your offer. The right mindset: I have already reached out to 10 people and I need to reach out to the other 90. The wrong mindset: I reached out to 10 people and didn't make any sales. Imagine that someone hired you to reach 100 people, not make sales. Just have a conversation with 100 people. And you don't have to take care of sales. You just need to care how many people you contacted. If you are not confident in your skill to take money for it, you can do it for free for the first clients. It's okay for beginners. How to do it, we will tell you a bit later. See you in the next video.